Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use WhatsApp web on iPhone 16e. In order to use the WhatsApp web, you will need to, it's gonna be pretty complex because you cannot do it with the Safari. You can only do it with, for example, Chrome, because there you can request the actual desktop website. And you also need to be logged into WhatsApp in an app on another device in order to use it, because WhatsApp web can be only accessed once you are logged into an actual downloaded app on another device. So let's go to the Chrome, then search web.whatsapp.com, and now you need to click on three dots here and click on request desktop site. So now I am on the desktop site, but if you are on the mobile one, you will see something like this. So if I go to the desktop site, I will see the QR code, which I can scan with my other device that I'm logged into WhatsApp on. And now I can just click on three dots in top right corner and go to settings, or if it's an iPhone, the settings will be on the bottom right corner. Now go to the okay, it's a bit different than on iPhone, so I'm a bit lost. Okay, here I need to go to the scan code and continue, and I'm gonna allow the camera, but on iPhones it'll be in a section in settings marked as link device. And now you can just click on link device and then you can scan it. So I'm just gonna click on continue, then link device, okay, scan that QR code, and now it's logging in. And now, as you can see, it is here. So I have that chat. I can open a chat, for example, and view it right here. So this is exactly how you do it. It's not loading right now for some reason, but yes, it has loaded finally. And that's how it looks. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.